Hello guys, this is Jude. In this video, I will be showing you the 10 best exchanges to buy Bitcoin in South Africa. South Africa is one of the most crypto-friendly countries in Africa. It has the most Bitcoin ATM and over $4 million worth of Bitcoin is traded on Luno every day from South Africa. That is over 68 million rand worth of Bitcoin, and this is from only one exchange. After a series of research for the best Bitcoin ATM in South Africa, I came up with a list of the 10 very best platforms based on their reputation, fees, and payment methods. But in this video, I'm only going to give you the company profile. However, if you want to know more about the fees, payment method, and supported cryptos, you should read the full review. The link is in the description. Alright guys, let's get started. If you've not subscribed to this channel yet, click the subscription button now to subscribe. We release awesome videos like this every other week. You can actually confirm this by checking out our older videos. Now let's get down to business. The first on my list is Luno. Luno is the most popular Bitcoin exchange in South Africa. It was founded in 2013 as BitX but later rebranded to Luno. This Bitcoin exchange is often referred to as the South African exchange because of the high volume of Bitcoins being traded on the exchange by South Africans. The fact here is, on a day-to-day basis, over $4 million worth of Bitcoins are traded for the South African Rand on this exchange. If you're new to cryptocurrencies, Luno is certainly the best option for you as it has a very friendly and easy to use interface. The next on my list is Binance. Binance was launched in 2017. It is a trading platform for over 500 cryptocurrency pairs. Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trade volume. Over $3 billion worth of trades goes on Binance every single day. Binance offers a lot of services including OTC trading, spot trading, margin, P2P, futures, and so many others. On this exchange, you can trade the South African Rand for BTC, Ethereum, Binance Coin, USDT, and BUSD. The next is CEX.io. CEX is also a very popular exchange in South Africa. The exchange was founded in 2013 by Alexander and 3 others in London. CEX first started out as a cloud mining company, but has now become a multifunctional cryptocurrency exchange trusted by over 3 million users. CEX supports over 15 currencies and offers both brokerage and trading services. Number 4 is CoinDirect. CoinDirect is a South African exchange that was launched on October 25th of 2017. This exchange combines brokerage, P2P, and trading services and has support for over 40 cryptocurrencies. It allows you to buy, sell, convert, and store your cryptos conveniently. CoinDirect has a very good user interface and makes it easy for users to trade a large amount of Bitcoin using its OTC service. Number 5 is Yellowcard. Yellowcard is a Binance-supported Bitcoin exchange founded by Chris Morris. In this exchange, you can buy, sell, store, and receive crypto payments, which can be transferred directly to your local bank account. Aside this exchange enables you to make money from its platform when you sign up as a merchant. With this, you can buy and sell Bitcoins to your clients as well as receive Bitcoin for payments for goods and services. Yellowcard also operates in Nigeria, Botswana, and Zimbabwe. The next is Paksfull. Paksfull is a cryptocurrency peer-to-peer exchange that is headquartered in the United States of America. If you want to sell Bitcoin for e-currencies such as Neteller, PayPal, Perfect Money, or gift cards such as Amazon gift card, iTunes gift card, Google Play gift card, and so on and so forth, then this exchange is perfect for you. Paksfull has the most payment method on any exchange. Over 300 payment methods are listed on the Paksfull exchange. The next is Local Bitcoins. Local Bitcoin was founded in 2012 and it is headquartered in Finland. The company serves users from more than 240 countries, including South Africa. In this exchange, you can buy Bitcoin using over 30 payment methods, including credit card and debit card, web money, WeChat, and the 3 popular altcoins, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. Number 8 is Changely. Changely is a non-custodial exchange that was launched in 2015 by Minergate. Minergate is a crypto mining pool. This exchange integrates a bot into exchanges like Binance, Bittrex, HitBTC, and so on to connect users to an exchange offering the best rates in the market. Changely is a very good option for you if you like to get the best available rates for any crypto in the market and still keep your identity anonymous. Number 9 is Coinmama. Coinmama is a broker crypto exchange. It was founded in 2013 and has support for over 150 cryptocurrencies. As at the time of this video, Coinmama is being used by over 2 million people. Coinmama is a great exchange to buy Bitcoin if you are in South Africa. The next is Bitstamp. Bitstamp is an easy-to-use and a reputable exchange that was founded in 2011. It is one of the oldest exchanges to buy Bitcoin with a solid reputation. This Bitcoin exchange is ranked as one of the top exchanges on CoinMarketCap, taking number 6. As a bonus, I thought I shouldn't end this without adding one more exchange popular in South Africa, which is eToro. eToro was founded in 2007 by 2 brothers, Ronen and Yoni Asia, and partner David Ring. The company started off as a general trading platform, but has in 2017 added cryptocurrency to its multi-services. eToro has grown significantly since its founding and currently has over 7 million users worldwide. This platform is certainly the best exchange for you if you are interested in CFD trading. Alright guys, that is my list, but now it's your turn. Tell me, which other exchange not on the list do you think should be on the list? And which of the exchanges on the list do you think should not have made it to the list? Let me know your answers in the comment section right away. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share. See you in my next video.